The YouTube video that is titled The $10 Million a Year Business Blueprint, a step-by-step guide, which was produced by the YouTube channel Codie Sanchez, is 43 minutes and 42 seconds in duration. Let's cut through all the fluff and just look at the key points. The video begins by discussing the critical role of bank accounts and money in achieving freedom and real wealth. Codie challenges the conventional teachings about wealth creation, emphasizing the importance of owning local businesses as a key driver of meaningful change. She presents a blueprint for getting rich, underscoring the necessity of ownership in countering power dynamics. Critiquing movements like Occupy Wall Street for their lack of tangible impact, she stresses the need for profit to create significant societal changes. Codie Sanchez then delves into the concept of protest and making a difference, arguing that real protest involves individuals making a difference themselves. She highlights the significance of buying local and its impact on communities. The video also explores various paths to wealth, including inheritance, marriage, and starting an asset management business. Sanchez shares her experiences at a high net worth conference, discussing different methods people have used to accumulate wealth. Reflecting on her time at Goldman Sachs, Sanchez notes the challenges of becoming an asset manager, particularly the high financial thresholds required for client acquisition. She shares her personal approach to business, which involves building or buying companies, and discusses her portfolio of companies and venture capital fund. The importance of contracts is emphasized, with Sanchez stating that what is under contract is the only thing that cannot be taken away. She criticizes financial advisors like Suze Orman and Dave Ramsey, arguing that their teachings are contrary to real wealth creation. The video then shifts to discussing the journey from zero to success in business, highlighting the need for a blueprint and the 3 Ps: preservation, patience, and persistence. Codie Sanchez talks about understanding business volatility and the importance of customer relationships, suggesting that businesses should write love letters to their customers and create personas or avatars for long-lasting success. Sanchez discusses the role of artificial intelligence in creating avatars for media companies and the concept of world changers. Please remember that much like the original video, I will not give you the fine details. But if there were 1 or 2 topics that interested you, now is the time to research those in depth. She also touches on the importance of being a guide rather than a hero in business, explaining how this perspective can lead to increased cash flow and ROI. If you see a topic you like, seek out experts in that field. Please do not look for generic, how to make money fast videos that just recycle the obvious suspects. The video addresses the current economic climate, including high interest rates and asset prices, and the trend of reduced household spending. Sanchez advises businesses to focus on selling painkillers, products that fulfill acute needs, rather than vitamins that are merely desirable. The concept of build once, sell twice is critiqued, with Sanchez advocating for turning services into repeatable, scalable products. She compares good and bad agencies, highlighting the pitfalls of the latter, such as lack of proprietary processes and variable pricing. The importance of recurring revenue is emphasized, with Sanchez discussing different types of recurring revenue, including long-term contracts, auto-renewals, loyalty programs, and consumables. Codie Sanchez then explores strategies for increasing revenue, such as selling more to existing clients and targeting wealthy individuals. Please feel free to tell me the YouTube gurus that you like, but you wish would just get to the point and not stretch out their explanations to garner credibility and attract more ad revenue. Let me know in the comments below. Then Codie introduces the 12% review rule and discusses the significance of positive online reviews and testimonials for business growth. The challenges of customer retention in specific industries, like drug rehab, are also addressed. Sanchez criticizes the current societal trend of pursuing careers as YouTubers over taking on profitable businesses. She expresses concern over the concentration of power in a few companies and the lack of ownership in the country, citing the closure of businesses during COVID-19 and the dominance of institutions in the housing market. Sanchez shares her admiration for a former boss, Bruce Heyman, and his role as an ambassador. She expresses a desire for more individuals to become wealthy and influential, emphasizing the need for more builders in society. The video concludes with a discussion on the 3 Ps: product, people, and process in business, the value of collective brain power, and interactive discussions for problem solving. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.